Sarura Kids. What was in there?
Think about how to, well, the first thing you might have to do is think about how to open the box. Who can open the box?
Me.
How do you think you have to open the box?
I take off the sellotape.
That's a good idea. Why don't you take off the sellotape and see?
And
No, I think the sellotape over here. And over there.
Mummy, we need some help.
Okay, let Mummy help.
We can't do it yet.
Okay.
We can't do it today.
Why is that then?
Because we're too young.
You're too young to take sellotape off.
Yeah.
When do you think you'll be old enough then?
When I'm in the schoolroom.
When you're in the schoolroom. So when you're older than 5. That's a long way to wait. But there's a ball, yeah. There's also something else. This is a 2-in-1 brain puzzle from Puzz Blox. So it has 2 challenges to try out. Let me help you.
Why do we press them? Why do we press, Mummy? Why do we
Press and see what happens.
Box.
Press, keep pressing. Press lots and lots and lots.
Castle.
Press lots and lots and lots. Keep pressing more. Press all of them in. All the different balls. Press them in. The challenge with this one, okay, I'm just going to say the boring things. 2-in-1 brain puzzles from Puzz Blox, which has the snake twist, which they've got right now, and the rainbow sphere, which is what Mummy's holding right now. So the rainbow sphere has one hole, and you can pop that through there, and it pops out on the other side. So we've got to try and get the colours to match up with the different holes. That's a wrong blue. Yeah, Mummy's going to give it to you. Here you go. There you go. And Mummy will say the boring things. So the rainbow sphere, which Mummy was holding, you should thoroughly mix up the balls into different colour holes. And then can you match the balls back to the same colour holes? So this is great because it's going to teach, once you can work your way through the different colours, it's going to teach you the names of colours and how to get colours to match. Which
I
is
know
great.
how to match them.
I know, but you might know, but Ronga is still learning. Try and press some more. Let's see, I can't remember, I think this is a 3-year plus one as well.
Baby
So you're too young for it as well anymore.
Baby all stems.
Yes, Mummy can show you. Yeah, you just keep twisting that and see what you can make.
Out, Mummy.
No, they don't come out. You're supposed to match it. So do you see the yellow circle?
Boy.
You put the yellow ball on the yellow circle.
Red.
And with the snake twist, which is what you've got, Anu, you're supposed to twist and turn the segments. Currently the ball is just being thrown around like a real ball, so... what they had in mind. Wow, that's brilliant! Yes, it can do lots of things. So it says you twist and you turn the different segments and you create many different models. Can you make a snake or a frog or a diamond shape or a rocket?
Look at this.
Yes, that's wonderful. What do you think that is?
I don't know.
And then can you get it back to being a cobra after it's been mixed up? Right, I'm just going to show you a little shape over there. Can you make that shape? You fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it until you get that shape.
I can't.
Right, can you make a snake?
This is a snake.
Once.
This is
Right, you have the ball. And you try and figure out the ball.
I like it. I like it.
Okay. Now look at how Mummy's twisting it. Yay, well done.
I do it.
You just have to twist it.
Twist it, twist it, twist it, twist. Oh no. Twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. Twist it, twist it. Oi. Oi, oi.
And then you twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. This is actually very hard. Mummy's trying to figure out how to get the blue. I've got the blue, but now the purple. And then the yellow.
That's good.
I don't know if I was actually taking a video of that. I'm busy just vexing myself here. So where's the black? The black is over there, and the red is in its place. The orange isn't.
Little bit hard working with some.
That's a bit hard.
Yeah.
Yes, Mummy's going to be determined about this now. Black is over there. This is going to be like a Rubik's Cube.
Yeah!
Yeah, well you have to go the wrong way to get to the right way.
Good impact. You can't from socks together.
You come from the shops together and go to the park.
Yeah.
That sounds like a
Look,
good
Mommy,
idea.
look! Yay! Look, this is something else.
So this is supposed to be for ages 3+. Now Mummy is now vexed because she needs to fix it and make
Look
it
at this,
so
Mummy.
they all match.
Look at this, Mummy.
Wow, look at that.
Digging.
What does it look like to you?
And digging.
A digger?
Yeah.
Oh, hello digger.
No, it's not. See? It's not.
Okay, what is it?
It's a swiggle boogity.
What?
A swiggle looking. That's digger. Look. That's digger. Look. That's digger.
It's a swiggly woggly.
Look.
Didn't you hear? Didn't you know? Swiggly woggledy.
Look, Mummy. You roll it.
Wow.
You roll it. I did it.
Yay! Well done. So we figured out that that ball is obviously, well, Mummy knew it's a 3+. It's much too complicated for little hands. So Wongai's hands are still a bit too small. Your thumbs are not yet quite strong enough, sweetie. So Mummy's going to give this one a whirl once it's been given back and see if I can make it work. Here you go. Is it a sword?
Stop! That's my sword.
No!
No!
Oh, sorry, you don't want your sword turned around. Okay.
No. I just want it like this.
Okay. Is that the world's biggest telephone?
I just want this bad. I just want this side.
Remember, only twist it.
Yes.
Twist it. Yeah, that's it.
Triangle box.
There's all circles and they're different colours. Can you see the ball that is the colour yellow?
No. Look, Mommy.
Can you see the colour yellows?